Men's health, body and vitality, restoring strength and balance. Modern life challenges men in ways that few talk about. Long work hours, stress, poor sleep, and the quiet pressure to always appear strong and happy. But real strength isn't only about muscles or status. It's about balance, when the mind, body, and hormones move together in rhythm. A healthy body starts from within. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D support testosterone, muscle growth, and recovery. They also protect bone strength and energy production. Ginseng and maca root improve stamina, focus, and confidence, while ashwagandha helps calm the mind and reduce stress-related fatigue. Good nutrition keeps the body lean and the metabolism active. Protein, healthy fats, and hydration build definition and maintain endurance. Deep sleep restores growth hormones, allowing the body to repair and the skin to glow naturally. Small daily actions, walking, breathing deeply, stretching, and staying mindful, build a foundation for strength that lasts decades. Your body reflects how you live, not how heavy you lift, but how deeply you care for yourself. Discover more at globalnaturalremedy.com and read the Global Natural Remedy book, a guide written to bring lasting peace to both body and mind.